Most people hear prompt engineering and think, wow, that sounds like a high-level tech job. Relax. In many cases, prompt engineering just means asking AI better questions. But here's the catch. Asking better questions is not a small thing. Most people get weak AI results because they give weak instructions, then blame the tool like the tool was supposed to read their soul. But here's the real question. Is prompt engineering just typing clever sentences, or is it actually the skill of controlling how AI thinks, responds, and solves problems? Prompt engineering is the skill of designing clear instructions for AI so it gives you better, more useful, and more accurate outputs. A normal prompt says, write me a business idea. A better prompt says, give me 5 low-budget business ideas for students in the UK with startup cost, target audience, difficulty level, and 1 simple marketing strategy for each. Same AI, different instruction. Completely different quality. Think of AI like a super-fast intern. Smart? Yes. Useful? Yes. But dangerous if unmanaged. If you say, make this better, it may change the whole thing. If you say, improve only the grammar, keep the tone casual, don't change the meaning and make it shorter, now you are managing the output. That is prompt engineering. You are not just asking, you are directing. A good prompt usually has a few ingredients: role, task, context, constraints, examples, and output format. Role means who the AI should act like, such as a teacher, marketer, editor, developer, or business consultant. Task, what you want done. Context means background information. Constraints define limits, like word count, tone, audience, or format. Examples show the style you want. Output format tells the AI whether you want bullets, tabled, JSON, checklist, or paragraph. A simple example. Explain inflation is a weak prompt. Explain inflation to a 14-year-old using a pizza example in under 90 seconds with 1 funny line and 1 real-world example is much stronger. Why? Because the AI now knows the audience, style, length, metaphor, and purpose. You removed guesswork. And in AI, less guesswork usually means better results. A small case study is content creation. A YouTuber can ask AI, write a video script about AI. That will probably produce a boring, generic script. But if the YouTuber says, write a 3-minute whiteboard animation script for beginners, start with a funny hook, explain AI with a real-life example, add a small case study, keep the tone simple, and end with a curiosity question. Now the AI has direction. The output becomes closer to what the creator actually needs. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Prompt engineering is not magic. Some people online sell it like it is a secret code to unlock unlimited money. That is nonsense. Prompting helps you get better results, but it cannot fix bad thinking. If you do not understand your goal, audience, or problem, even the best prompt will only produce polished confusion. AI amplifies your clarity. It also amplifies your laziness. Historically, prompt engineering became popular because tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and image generators made AI usable through natural language. Before this, working with AI often required coding, data science, or technical setup. But now, ordinary people can control powerful AI systems by writing instructions. That changed the game. Language itself became the interface. So in one simple line, prompt engineering is the skill of giving AI clear, structured instructions so it can produce better results. It is part communication, part problem solving, part editing, and part thinking clearly. The better you understand what you want, the better you can guide the machine. Welcome back to the AI Studio, where we make artificial intelligence simple, visual, and slightly less painful. But now comes the next question. If prompts let us guide AI, then what happens when AI stops just answering questions and starts taking actions? What exactly is an AI agent?